Ciao, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're well. Google I/O is just a week away from now as of the recording of this video. And last week, Google released the entire schedule for Google I/O. So I thought it would be a good idea if I went through the entire schedule and show you what's going on and what I will be following for sure during the Google I/O event. Although most of the session will be streamed while it will be night here in the UK, I'll take the following days to follow and check the most important for me, just to stay up to date with the latest release. All the content will be available on May 16th or at 8 a.m. Pacific time. I'll leave the link to the schedule down below in the video description. And so, without any further ado, let's jump in and see what's the schedule look like. So here we have the schedule. There are, as the date of the recording of the video, 104 sessions in total. The website allows you to filter all the sessions by focus, by topic, content type, and level. The focus area are AI, cloud, mobile, and web. And there are 37, 23, 48, and 26 sessions respectively. Some of the sessions belong to multiple focus areas. For example, the keynote and the developer keynote are shared across all the focus area. The content types are keynote, technical session, and workshop, with 17 keynotes, 72 technical session, and 15 workshops. The levels are beginner, intermediate, and advanced, with 36, 67, and 1 for each of them. There are a lot of topics, so I won't go through all of them, counting the session for each of one of them. Yeah, let's start with the schedule. The first two sessions streaming at 10 a.m. PT and 1:30 PT, which are respectively 6 p.m. British Summer Time and 9:30 p.m. PST. Those two sessions are the only ones for now with a timestamp. The following session are all what's new in. And for example, we have what's new in Android, what's new in Google AI, what's new in Flutter, what's new in Android development tools, what's new in Firebase for building Gen AI features, what's new in Google Play, what's new in Chrome, what's new in the web, what's new in Angular, and what's new in Google Cloud and Google Workspace. I'll be watching almost all of them, but not the Firebase, Chrome OS, Angular, web, cloud, and workspace, which are not my fields. The following sessions are AI centered. I won't watch any of those initially, as I prefer to focus on topics I'm currently working on. Speaking of which, we have an Android accessibility feature and APIs, which I will be following. We have a bunch of Android related topics which I will be following. For example, actionable app profiling in Android Studio, Android on-device Gen AI under the hood, building Android widget with Jetpack Glance, which is Jetpack Compose for building widgets, building your own generative AI-powered Android app, building UI with Material Tree Adaptive Library, and building adaptive Android apps, building modern Android media and camera experiences, designing scalable, composable Compose API, improving battery efficiency of background work on Android, designing adaptive apps. I don't know why this is not flagged, but I'm sure I will be following it. That's it from what I will be following for the Android related topics. And then there are a lot of web and cloud and Gen AI topics which I won't be following. Improve the user experience of your Android app. I will be surely watch it. More with maps in your Android app with Jetpack Compose. Surely will be watching. If you're watching my videos on the channel, you know that that's the main focus I've been following for now. Practical performance problem solving in Jetpack Compose. That sounds really interesting. Yeah, that's it. So all other sessions were not of interest as of now for me, except some of the Flutter related ones, which I've been digging my fingers in lately. But I won't give priority to any other than the Android related, and not too much focus on AI for now, since I'm not working daily with those technologies for now. What about you? what are you going to watch at this year events? Let me know down in the comment what are the sessions that you're mostly interested in, what you will be watching streaming, if you will be watching any of those in streaming, or if you'll catch up as of the May 16th when they will release all of them here on YouTube. And another thing before I go, would you like me to go through some of the recording or some of the live session if I'm able to, and like do a reaction in streaming or as video, or perhaps just a summary of all the session that I've been following and just summarize everything for you? Let me know down in the comment, and until the next time, see ya.